Hey, are you also struggling to find your balance here in this position where your legs are supposed to be extended but you're standing just on one leg? Well, don't worry. Let me help you with this resistance technique that actually helps me find balance in this posture. What I mean by resistance is one part of the body is going against the other direction of the body part. Well, imagine you want to kick someone from your leg. Literally kick someone from your leg, and that force is constant. That wall is constantly there. I'm pushing something constantly away from me, and at the same time my hands want to do the complete opposite thing. My hands is trying to pull that leg. Don't push that person, don't kick that person. The yin and yang. Yes, try this concept just with your legs. So you're going to take your legs up. It's okay if your knees are bent, don't need to straighten them completely. So the legs want to go away, but the hands will pull back in. So first pull the hands back into the socket, find your balance, look at one place, bend the elbows slightly, and then keep pulling away from the legs. Leg is trying to push constantly and hand is trying to pull constantly. That fight between both of them helps you create that resistance, and that is what helps me find my balance. Do give it a try and let me know if that helps you.